The Anker SOLIX PS200 solar charger delivers a genuine 200-watt output with efficient monocrystalline cells, so it tops up power stations noticeably faster than many similarly sized panels. Its adjustable kickstand offers 4 distinct tilt positions, making it easy to keep the panel aligned with the sun whether you are camping, parked in a recreational vehicle, or dealing with a home outage. The panel is built with a rugged, water-resistant housing rated for immersion, so unexpected rain or wet ground is far less of a concern during outdoor use. A durable fluoropolymer surface helps resist scratches and everyday wear, which is reassuring if you plan to fold, move, and reposition the panel frequently. The integrated MC4 connectors provide a solid, low-loss link to compatible power stations and batteries, avoiding the flaky connections that can plague cheaper setups. Despite its substantial power rating, the panel folds into a relatively slim, portable package that is practical to carry, store in a vehicle, and deploy quickly when you need off-grid charging.